Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Vocabulary Quiz. You will hear 25 questions. Take your time. Think carefully. Are you ready? Let's start.
Question 1. I usually arrive at 9 o'clock a.m. Question 2. My. Asked me to finish the report today. Question 3. We have a team. Every Monday morning. Question 4. I need to send an to the client. Question 5. Please leave the files on my. Question 6. For the project is this Friday. Question 7. She received A after her successful project. Question 8. He is A. I work within the sales department. Question 9. What is the first item on today? Question 10. The company offers a very competitive. Question 11. We need a better deal with the supplier. Question 12. Many workers were made after the merger. Question 13. The bonus acts as an for higher sales. Question 14. The company decided its customer service. Question 15. We are looking for a business model. Question 16. You should submit your travel by Friday. Question 17. Please attach your to the application form. Question 18. We use this data as a for our performance. Question 19. The project was between two departments. Question 20. I want for the manager position. Question 21. We will have a short before the event. Question 22. We are conducting a study on the new site. Question 23. The company is known for its technical. Question 24. He worked 10 hours of last week. Question 25. Was very satisfied with the results.